Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 14th, 2025. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 99. 9905. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 14 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but the publisher has indicated this one with a 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I can't see any single boxes here. No single boxes here. How about dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes here. Triple box, the 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes will be 2 and 3, 2 and 3. More triple boxes. No, how about quarter boxes? I see here quarter box, there quarter box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information right now. Here, quarter box, these 2 boxes can be a 3, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So that appear in this quarter box are the numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. More quarter boxes? No. Then, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Upside down, this T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box, okay? In this case, should be a 3 here. Okay, more T-shapes here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. This case is a 1 or a 3 here. More? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z construction? If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. If you flip the Z, you will get the S. It's the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have only one shape, and this box of this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. But it can be a 1. We have already a 1 here. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. You have more of these kind of shapes. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 3 here. But it can be a 1. We already have a 1 here. So this box will be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. So 1 box left. I've marked this box with 1 or a 3. We have a 3 here, so this box will be a 1. Is connected with that box, so 1. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Here, another one. this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And I believe we have one last shape, the L shape. Rotate it. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Yeah, maximum 6 shapes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 3 and 4, okay. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. It's supposed to be there. This box can be 2, this box can be 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Is connected with that box, so 2 and 3, but it can be 3 and more. We have a 3 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction. Supposed to be here. 2 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 and 5. Let me think. Come on. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 3. And the 5, we have 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yeah, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 to 5, 2 to 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. Then these 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, so 1. This box cannot be a 2 or a 5. You have a double 2 there, double 5 there. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area should be a 4 then. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area should be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then... Well. Come on, come on. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes and there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes, can we have 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me, this one. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, but also those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So only 1 box left in this area for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So here can be 1, and these 3 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3, and the 4 we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5 we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. So 1 and the 4. Well, I'm stuck here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 can be 1 and a 2. So the 1 and 2 should be there, but I cannot place the 2 here because we already have a 2 here. So the 2 should be here then, and the 1 should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1 box left in this T-shape area for number 4. 1 over 4, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes here, and final number in this area for number 3. 13 minutes. Well, not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.